Bienvenido a mi canal, yo soy Titán del 86. Gracias de acompañarme aquí en este canal donde vamos a hacer muchos unboxings y vamos a hacer reviews de las figuras de anime, película, lo que tenga. Aquí la vamos a abrir y vamos a platicar del diseño de la caja, el diseño de la figura, las opciones, las expresiones, todo lo que venga con estas grandes figuras. Vamos a cubrir de toditito, de estatuas, figuras, tarjetas, nómbralo. A lo mejor aquí vamos a tener un video acerca de este tema. No te olvides de dejar tu like y suscribirte al canal. Gracias por venir y acompañarme en otra nueva aventura aquí. Let's start the show. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this new figure I got from Megahouse. This is gonna be Megahouse Precious G.E.M Metalgarurumon. What you are seeing now is the brown box that this package comes in. Here's the 360 of the box. This is the front of the box here, showing that it's a Precious G.E.M from Megahouse. It's a really nice, beautiful box here for the packaging. It's a lot of vibrant colors and a lot of details here. So what you're seeing here is the box of that the figure comes in. As you can see from the back side, it's got some close-up of Metalgarurumon along with Matt being on top of him as he rides him in the anime. Here on the side it's another picture of Matt in Metalgarurumon's face. I think this is the reissued version. I think the original one came out a couple years ago. So I guess they went back and they decided to do another run of the same figure here, which gave me the opportunity to pick it up. As you see here from above, you see the crest of friendship. And now let's open it to see the contents of this beautiful presentation here. As you can see, the figure comes in one giant blister pack, and it also comes with some instructions here. Looking at the instructions, it looks like it comes with a base to hold them up in the air, and I guess they go right below near the belly area. Upon removing the two plastics, you can kind of see how they packaged it. It had a lot of protective on it to make sure that the figure didn't get scratched or anything from the shipping. So here you have Matt right here. We'll do his close-up and this little 360 here. And then right here you have the main figure here, Metalgarurumon. So some more that they did to the packaging is they added little protective pieces to protect each one of the paws here so it wouldn't get damaged. So I'm going to remove all this stuff so we can see it, and then we can look at it in more closer up details here. So here's a close-up of Matt. You can see he's got his Digivice right there. He's got his expression looks pretty serious here, and it looks like he's in the position of how he normally would get on top of Metalgarurumon and ride him in the scene. He's got the little pinion here for him to attach onto Metalgarurumon. He's got some really shiny shoes there. Here's the back side, little markings from the shoe. He looks pretty, the figure looks pretty good. Yeah, obviously this does not stand up on its own. Here's a close-up of his face. got some good painting here, so we can get a nice close-up of the Digivice. There you can see him holding his Digivice. So close-up of the Digivice. One thing that I always noticed from the DigiDestined and how they drew the Digimon characters here, or I should say the DigiDestined characters, is they had some awfully huge hands. That was one of the things that I always noticed from the DigiDestined when I used to watch the show. Next one here is Metalgarurumon. From this standpoint, the figure is able to stand up, so you don't really need the base unless you want them to be lifted off the ground, which I will show in a minute. But it does have a lot of high details. You can see here from the wings, showing the missiles, the close-up of his face. They got that very aggressive look to him. And then from the underbelly, you kind of see how something I didn't realize from watching him in the show is that he had little turbines in the bottom of his feet. That's something I wasn't aware of. And obviously he's got some scuff marks, something that was a trade I guess a trademark from all Digimons. They always look rough versus the Pokemons that they always tend to have nice soft edges, didn't show them any damage or anything. Where in Digimon they kind of did the opposite. They show damage and scars and stuff like that, like you can see right there on the thigh. Here's got a big one on the other side. Right there you can see the other scars that he's got. And right here you can see the section. This is where Matt would attach to. And there you have him. Looks very fantastic. So let's put him on the stand so we can do a proper 360 here. So these are the base sections here that would help us make Metalgarurumon stand up. So let's assemble the base here. So this is just a snap-on really. Move it like that. I hope that's right. This is the 360 view of this fabulous figure here of Metalgarurumon with Matt. Right there you can see the missiles he's got there, the grinning teeth on his face there. You can see some of the battle scars. You can see the wings. His tail looks like literally like a sword, a very sharp blade. There's a lot of good details in this figure here. The figure is made out of plastic. It feels it's a soft plastic actually, so it's not hard plastic, it's soft plastic. The whole Garumon, Garurumon, War Garurumon, and Metalgarurumon are basically my favorite Digimon line. This is one good figure to have in your collection. Obviously, as you can see, it's not articulated. There are no moving parts here. There's lots of very beautiful details. For those of you that don't know, so this is a mega level Digimon. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to comment and leave your like. And if you're a new viewer here, don't forget to subscribe here. Let me know what you think of this figure here from Megahouse, from the Precious G.E.M collection. Yes, a lot of very good details here. It's very highly detailed here. It's got details here that I didn't even pick up from watching the show. The shading is done very nicely, especially up in the upper, as you can see from the blade on the tail, the wings. Everything's got some really nice shading there. You can see I think it's a gold color from where it darkens to show the light shadowing. Even the nose from the biggest expression there, ready for action. Matt's got that very serious look there. He's about to go up there and kick some ass. For those of you that ended up buying the original one, like I mentioned earlier, this is the reissued copy, based off the first run of them. If you have one, just let me know if there are any key differences or if it's 100% identical to the original. That's all I have for today, guys. Don't forget to leave your like and comment in the comments to see what you guys think of this figure, what you're seeing now, or some of the Digimon cards I collected over the years. For example, from the Garumon, World Garurumon, to Metalgarurumon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video next time.